Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to deactivate your Facebook account from your Android phone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to deactivate your Facebook account from your Android phone, let's open up our Facebook app first. Now, in order to deactivate your account, first log into your Facebook account which you want to deactivate, and after logging into your account, the interface will be something like this, where on the top right corner of your screen you can see the tree line icon available over there. Tap on the tree line icon like this, and a similar kind of interface will be shown to you, where on the top right corner of your screen, just below the tree line icon, you can see the cure icon or the settings icon. If you don't have that icon, scroll down and you can see the settings and privacy option available, over here. Tap on settings and privacy like this, and when you tap over there, the settings option will appear again. Tap on settings, and after this page loads, you can see the account category. Under the account category, there is the personal and account information. Tap on personal and account information like this, and on this interface you can see the account ownership and control available over here at the bottom of the options, just below the identity confirmation. Tap on account ownership and control like this, and over here there are two options. We'll be tapping on the deactivation and deletion of the Facebook account. So let's go, and you can see there is the delete account and the deactivate account option available over here. If you want to delete your account permanently, tap on delete account. If not, if you just want to deactivate your account, tap on deactivate account, and on the blue button which says continue to account deactivation, tap over there. And on this interface you'll be required to enter your password over here, and after entering your password, tap on continue, and then your account will be deactivated until you deactivate it. And there guys, I will not be deactivating my account because it's of use to me and I have a lot of chats going on over here. And there guys, this is how you deactivate your Facebook account on your Android phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.